Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to take a closer look at this beautiful Lamborghini Aventador LP750-4 SV. This model is made by AutoArt at the 1/18 scale, and it's made out of composite material, mainly plastic ABS. This model is now currently on discounted prices in Europe. It's around 130 euros, and I think it's a great value. Let's start looking at the model, and we'll discuss the price later on. Let's start in the front. We have the headlights, which look beautiful. We have the Lamborghini emblem there. Also we have the splitter down here with the grills, which are perforated. Sadly no carbon fiber texture on the grills. Next, on the side we have the wheels, again looking very nice. Also we have Lamborghini in the center of the Lamborghini logo in the center. Also the Lamborghini brake calipers in red, which look pretty good. Next we have the SV and LP750-4 SV logo here. Next, in the back we have the stop lights, which look pretty good. We have this massive wing which has carbon fiber texture. Also we have those vents and the engine cover in carbon fiber texture as well. We have the Lamborghini logo there. Also have the exhaust and the diffuser. We have more carbon fiber texture here around this part as well. Underneath the model, not many details except for this diffuser here. Also, of course, we have functional steering, as you can see. Let's open the bonnet. The space is very tight. Let me show you the bonnet. You have to pull it forward and then tilt it. Again, we have this beautiful hinges from AutoArt. The storage space is carpeted, so it's again a nice feature. But I really have to say I really love the hinges on these AutoArt models. Let me close the door. Again, you have to move it backwards. There we go. Let's check out the engine. We'll have to open this part. There we go. Again, the same type of hinges used in the front. A lot of details on the engine compartment. We have Lamborghini written there. Also have the suspension. This grille is also perforated. We have some carbon fiber texture there, and also on the engine. I think it's a beautiful engine compartment. Let me zoom. As you can see, we have even the screws there on the suspension. I think it's a great amount of details. Let me close the cover. You have to be careful. It will touch the wing, so you'll have to push it a bit forward just to get past the wing. Next, let's open the door. To open the door, you have to push that forward and the door will pop up. Again, the Lamborghini door. We have the Aventador written there on the seal. And let me zoom in. The interior looks pretty good. Have here there the rev counter with the gear selector. Also have the steering wheel, which looks pretty good. We have the seats with the gray and red accents. Let's open the passenger door as well. And there we go. You can see from here the center console with the SV written there. Very nice, very nice model and good amount of details. So you have Lamborghini there on the dash as well. Tell me in the comments, what do you think about the model? I think it's a beautiful model, and for around 130 euros, that's the price you can find it in Europe for this variant, and also the black version. I think it's an unbeatable price. If you are in Romania, I'll leave you a link in the description if you want to order it. Again, please tell me in the comments what do you think about this color and this model, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos.